Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will give a presentation about my article, and the title is Implementation of the Project GTC Models in Civic Learning as an effort to optimize the strengthening of independent characters and creative skills in elementary schools. Presentations by Fatchur Rahman Taufik. And then the next we talk about abstract. This research look at how the project citizen model is used to teach citizenship education or civic in elementary school in effort to increase the independence and creativity of the students. In this research, the methodology utilized is literature review. And the finding demonstrates that incorporating the Project GTS model into civic education greatly enhances students' capacity for autonomous thought and fosters their creative thinking. And then the result of the study, the Project GTS model was effectively implemented for increasing students' engagement, understanding of civic idea, and capacity to create and provide solutions to social problems in their community. Next, we talk about introductions. The education sectors, one of the many sectors that have developed certainly. One of the main platforms for using Project GTS learning paradigm in the classroom is civic education or civic. And the project is models to create an atmosphere where students can identify social problems relevant to their daily life, generate creative solutions, and actively participate in the learning process. And then a strong civic ability is another goal of the program, in addition to helping children become more independent and creative. And then the problem formation in this consists two. One, this study will investigate how civic education using the project edition paradigm can support primary school students in developing more independent characters. And then two, the research the research will look at how the project-decision model can help elementary school students improve their creative talent. It is the problem of formulations. And the next, we talk about method. Qualitative research seeks to describe or study social activity even as the thought, perceptions, and view of peoples, both individually and in groups. These researchers will conduct this type of research. And then using prism analysis strategy was used with the literature study methodology. And then the data collection process begin with the search and selection of relevant information from various sources such as reputable book and then papers, scientific journal, and online document. And then when the data is collected, Prisma analysis is performed to filter out the most relevant and significant information according to the research objective. The next, the result, it is a SIG result. From Nur Halimah and Hamid, the result shows that the implementation of the projective model significantly strengthens the independent characters of students. And then from Jennerco, the result of the study how well the projectist model work to increase students' active involvement in the education process and overall state belief in terms of civic education or civic. And then from Kubler et al. The finding confirmed the application of the Project GTS model in the civic education or civic learning process saw significant and higher effectiveness than conventional approaches that only rely on lectures, which are often considered boring and monotonous. And then from Abandi Rahmalia, the result of this research make an important contribution to the understanding of the effectiveness of the project GTS model in the context of higher education. And then from Widodo et al., the finding of the study so that innovations in applying the project digital learning model have proven effective and feasible to be adopted in the context of learning civic education subject at the primary school level. And then from Mokhlishatin, the result of Mokhlishatin research of the strong evidence to improve the application of project decision learning part-time in educational context. Next, we talk about discussions. Using the project this model to teach civic education or civic is a new and innovative approach in the context of teaching in elementary school. And then civic learning is no longer limited to theoretical knowledge alone, but emphasizes more on the application of this concept in real situation around students. And then the context of Vygotsky theory. This theory emphasizes the role of the social and cultural environments in the formation of individual cognitions, particularly in the process of learning and the development of language, thought, and problem solving. And then zone of actual development and zone of proximal development are the two main ideas in Vygotsky theory. And then the results show a fit between the concept proposed by the two within the framework of Vygotsky theory. It can be understood as the application of the concept of zone of proximal development, in which it can promote high student understanding through the help or support of peers or teachers who are more skilled in collaborative context. And then the concept of scaffolding in theory is also relevant to the result of research on the project citizens models. Next, we talk about the conclusions. The result of this study, the results show that students develop critical thinking, problem solving, and collaborative ability in addition to enhance their understanding of citizenship issues. And then through active participation in social projects, they plan and implement. In addition, this study validates the effectiveness of the project GTS model in sparking students' creativity by providing them with challenges related to generating creative solutions to local social problems. And then the project GTS model has great potential as a learning tool that can contribute positively to the formation of independent characters and the development of students' creative skill at the elementary school level. And the implication is the importance of a project-oriented and participatory learning approach in designing civic curriculum in elementary school, with the aim of preparing a generation that has a strong characters, is creative, and is ready to face future challenges. I think enough for these presentations. I am closing. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.